Hello everyone. Today we are going to start MS Access. It's another tool from Microsoft Office, and here we have Access 2013. So just go to the MS Office and it will open the MS Access. So here you have multiple options like custom web, blank database, and many other options are there. We will go for the blank desktop database option. Select it and it will ask to store. From here you can choose the path like where you want to store. So I'm just selecting the desktop and giving the name student database. This name I'm giving. Okay, so now click on create. So after opening this, you will get this type of interface, and here you have different menus and all. So basically from this whole GUI divided into two sections, left panel and the right. In the left panel you will have all the components and objects, all the components which you will add in your database, and here you will be able to see the design view and original view. So here by default you have a table 1. Just right click and many options are there. We'll focus on open and design view. So I'm clicking on design view option and it will ask to store it, save it. I'm just giving the student name. Okay, and after that it will ask you for the fields. So here we can add the fields, like I am adding roll number. You can keep it auto number as well as you can go for the number. And here you can see it's a primary key. Then name must be text, long text, short text you can keep, short text. Then gender, short text. Then date of birth. For that you can select date, time, and let's say that's it. Keep this much of data, right, fields. So save it and close it. So we have one table, and when you will double click on it, it will get open into the data format, so record format. So here you will have records and you can enter records, like I'm entering the records, like this way you can add records. Okay, so let's keep 3 records. So our one table created. Now go to the create menu, and from here you can create a new table, queries, forms and reports. So first we'll start with the tables. So click on the table, and now we have table 1 again, right? One more table. So student, we have, this is student table and this is table 1. I'm just you can also rename it, like okay, because it is open, close it, close all. Okay, it will ask to save. At that time we will save it. Okay, yes. So here I'm giving name student, or only marks, let's say marks. Sorry. Okay, so marks table we have, and here again I'm adding the roll number. So So let's keep it number, then maths, number, science, number. Enough, right? Okay, and now let's add the records. 101, so this way you can add records. So now we have two tables. So this way you can create tables. In next session we will see how to create the forms.